Looking for business ideas for women? Here are 50 to consider in 2023. Every day, new small businesses are starting up around the nation, with women making up a substantial number of those new ventures. Letting you put your abilities to work for what you're passionate about. Choosing a small business concept to pursue or start for yourself can be tough, since women are beginning enterprises in a number of professions, including accounting and bookkeeping, dog walking, and freelance graphic design. The good news is that you are not alone if you are considering establishing a business. According to American Express 2018 State of Women-Owned Business Report, 1,800 new enterprises were launched by women daily between 2017 and 2018. Some people launch enterprises to augment their current sources of income. Some things to think about before starting your business search is what you're looking for in your existing skills. Here are some of the things to think about before starting your own business, as well as to pick the best one for you, while others stop them with the intention of making the business their full-time job and source of income. How to select a company concept. To understand how to start a business, you must first choose the appropriate business concept for you. Personal service providers might benefit by picking a subject that interests them and considering the abilities and resources they currently have. Services for animal care, education, marketing, and independent contracting. There are alternatives for travel services and other enterprises. 50 of the top small business concepts for women are mentioned here. The top 50 business ventures for women. Ideas for women's businesses in marketing and sales. If you have experience, you may already be familiar with some of the companies in this area. Many of the jobs described below may be accomplished on a freelance basis, providing you great freedom. If you wish, you can diversify your clientele or work as much or as little as you like on your own time. You can utilize it to your advantage and become a more in-demand freelancer in that industry. The best places to work from home or on your own schedule are businesses that specialize in some of these services. Number 1 is graphic design, followed by editing and proofreading, marketing, copywriting, and content production. Number 5, brand ambassador. Number 6, public relations consulting, and number 7, photography. Event planning is ranked number 10 after SEO consulting and strategy at number 9. Ideas for women's personal service businesses. There are several jobs that might be classified as personal services. There are many business opportunities and needs to be filled because there is a demand for almost every task that people must complete, whether it be helping their kids get ready for a performance or getting the dog groomed. Some of the businesses listed below are seasonal, making them perfect if you need a little extra money but don't need a full-time job. Dog walking is the top animal care service, followed by pet sitting and pet grooming. Veterinary services come in at number 4. 6th, dog daycare provider. 7th, dog training services. Animal photography is the top home service and repair priority, followed by cleaning. Garden maintenance and planning comes in at number 3, followed by interior design at number 1. 2nd, personal shopper. The 3rd, personal assistant. The 4th, life coach. Number 5 is a career advisor. 6th, personal fitness exercise. 7th, grade arranging your house. Ideas for women's massage therapy businesses to support educational services. Number 2, SAT/college essay editing. Number 3 is SCT preparation. Number 4 is tutoring, and number 5 is music instruction. Businesses are often in need of a little additional assistance, and your organization may have a duty to provide that assistance. However, there are many more chores that your firm may assist with. Supportive business services are something that most businesses want and appreciate. Bookkeeping and accounting are just 2 of the heavy lifting duties that some businesses Require assistance with. Schedule number 2 first. Third in accounting. Fourth in payroll services. Accounting is the fifth topic, followed by business coaching. Seventh, remote customer service. Preparing a business event. Innovative products and services, enterprise concepts for women you may have thought about. Using your creative or autistic talents to start a company or earn some additional money. Starting a brick-and-mortar business or an online store are just two of the many options available online. Other hobbies, like baking, may be converted into your own company. It may start with preparing a cake for an anniversary or birthday celebration, but that business can soon spread thanks to marketplaces like Let's See. Other below is a list of cutting-edge services and goods that can be converted into enterprises. Platforms for internet commerce are created especially to help you list your business and goods online. The two most often used platforms are Shopify and Squarespace. If you want something simpler, you may try using Facebook's company pages as your platform for selling. Number 1 online store for handcrafted goods is number 2. Owner of the third boutique, and the fourth an antique and consignment store. Vacation planner / travel organization. Number 5 technological business ideas for women bakers. There are many opportunities in the world of technology for people looking to make some extra money. Freelancing and doing contract work. Similar to marketing, which is the number 1 freelance website. Designing industry, there are opportunities in the tech field to work on short and long-term projects on your own schedule. Building third app using independent coding. 4th ranked IT consulting. 5th ranked web security. While the 50 businesses listed above are some of the greatest possibilities for women trying to start a new business, they are not the only ones. For a woman looking to start a new business, everything is an option. Specialists. Number 6 data input. Are there other options? Some of those on the list above are straightforward to carry out remotely or from home. Need minimal startup money, and can be done on a flexible schedule, making them perfect if you want to start a new business with no expertise and have total control over your own schedule. There are many things to think about when choosing the type of small business to launch. If you feel ready to do so, you may not know where to start, so here are some of the most crucial things to think about before choosing one of the businesses listed below. Will this be your primary source of income, or will it supplement your current income? What the startup costs for a firm will be. How much capital do you currently have to put in the company? If so, where will you find it if you need additional money? How much time will you commit to your business? Do you want to monetize the abilities you currently have, or do you want to gain brand new skills for the new adventure? This pertains to the first question. Is this your primary job or a side hustle? Once you've determined the qualities you want in a new firm, you can begin considering the kind of work you want your business to undertake. Keep in mind that your small business may be run by you as a sole proprietor. It is not required to have more than one person. What suggestions do other female business owners have? Whatever you choose to do for a business, you may profit from what those who have gone before you have learned. You may prevent making the same errors by seeking advice from other female business owners. Other business people have underlined the value of taking time to unwind and relax, learning from missteps and gaining perspective. Self-assurance and other endeavors. Articles about female entrepreneurs and women in business can be helpful, but there are also specific business resources for women available. Women can find networking sites, other resources, and development programs online in them. Communities. Online groups of businesswomen on LinkedIn and Facebook can also be helpful for women looking to start their own businesses. Searching for organizations that support women in business or the kind of enterprise you want to launch to discover a forum that can. You may learn more about business and its strategies by subscribing to our channel right away. Thanks for watching, Be Achievers. See you all in the future video.